Okay, children. So the next important topic is the long division method. So this is maybe sometimes they will ask 2 marks, or sometimes we will get for 4 marks also. Along with this division, and they will give 1 or 2 conditions. If they will give for 4 marks, and otherwise just simply they will ask long just division. This problem they will give for 2 marks. This is very important. So already how to divide the problems from the fractions already we studied in the previous classes. But here polynomials by polynomials we are going to learn this. So see, if you observe the first problem, divide 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 by 1 plus 2x plus x square means this polynomial is divided by this polynomial. Here 2 polynomials are given. Means if you take this is p of x is divided by, if you take this g of x, means this is a dividend, this is a divisor. So generally we know how to write the division form. See, when we are taking a divisor first, here 1 plus 2x plus x square. So when the polynomial we are dividing, first we should write in the order. Means the highest power of the variable first we should write, then next decreasing order we should write. Means this is, first we have to take x square plus 2x plus 1. And next we have to take in the dividend place, this one we should take, means p of x. So when we are taking this p of x, then first we have to observe the given problem in the order or not. See, the highest power is 3, then the next highest power is 2, then the next highest power is 1. So this is in the order. So directly we will take this one. 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5. So now if you take like, then see this divided by the divisor. So children, here very important. So I am going to give some conditions. That conditions you have to follow to simplify this problem. See, the first condition is, the first one is dividend first term is divided by the divisor first term. Means this first term is divided by this one. Means 3x cube by x square. So x square cancel, more x is there, means 3x. So this 3x we have to write in the quotient. We know this is quotient, means 3x. After writing this 3x in the quotient, with this 3x, we multiply all the terms which are there in the divisor. So 3x into x square, 3x cube, that we should write in the dividend in x cube term, the place of x cube term. So 3x cube, then again 3x into 2x, before the symbols also very important, plus into plus plus, 2x into 3x, 3 2s are 6 x into x square, and 6x square. See, these terms also we have to take in the order. Means here x square term is there. When we are multiplying, we are getting x square term. The below x square term only we should write. Then otherwise you will get confused. So next 3x into 1 plus 3x. So same 3x. Then after taking this step, then generally in the previous classes we studied that from the dividend this step we have to subtract. Same here also same like that. But when we are subtracting, so number means directly we can subtract. But here polynomial we are getting. So that's why first symbols will be changed. Means here you will get plus, you have to take minus. Here plus, minus. Here plus, minus. Now when we are subtracting, this symbol you should consider, not before symbol. So that's why 3x cube plus 3x cube minus 3x cube cancel. Then x square minus 6x square. Both are different symbols, subtraction. Minus 6x square plus x square minus 5x square. Then again minus 3x plus 2x minus x. So in the dividend, our divisor, how many terms are there? 3 terms. In the remainder, how many terms we are getting? 2. So that's why, and one more term we can write here in the remainder. So because here we have 5 now, that also we have to take. So here in the divisor, how many terms are there? You have to write in the remainder also that many terms you have to take. Then after this, next same process, condition number 2. In this first term, divide with first term of divisor. So 5x square by x square. X square cancel, minus 5. This minus 5 you write in the quotient. Then again with this minus 5, you multiply these 3 terms again. So minus into plus minus, 5 into x square, 5x square, minus into plus minus, 5 to the 10x, then minus into plus minus, 5 ones are 5. Then again symbols change. Plus, plus, plus. Now you should consider these symbols. Minus 5x square plus 5x square cancel. Then 10x minus x 9x. Then plus 5 and plus 5. So plus 10. Now same process. 9x by x square. But children, in the previous classes I told you the remainder is always less than the divisor. So here also 9x. Here how many x's are there? Means x power 1. Here what is there? X square. What is the x power 2? So that's why this x power 1 is less than the x square. So that's why then we cannot go. I think next step we here we cannot do the next step. So that's why. So this is the final step. Means this is the remainder. So now more than this we can't find out because the remainder is less than the divisor we are getting. So that's why. So this is the process to find out long division method. So very important. So sometimes when same they will ask and including this problem they will ask find all the zeros. So they will add this condition in the question. So if they will add this condition, after finding this, in the quotient we will get one quadratic polynomial. When you are finding this method, when you are getting this in the quadratic, in the quotient quadratic polynomial, Just you know in the quadratic polynomial how to find out splitting method. In the splitting method, you will get 2 zeros. Children, so you remember this thing. The remaining part we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.